Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting piece of fitness equipment that has been generating quite a buzz in the home gym community. We're talking about the pooboo folding exercise bike, which has quickly become known as the best slim exercise bike on the market. If you're looking for an effective, compact solution to get your workouts in without taking up too much space, this bike might just be what you need. First, let's talk about its design. The pooboo folding exercise bike is an impressive 4-in-1 magnetic X bike that combines functionality with comfort. It features a sleek, foldable design, which makes it perfect for those living in smaller spaces. When you're done exercising, you can easily fold it up and tuck it away, making it a great choice for apartments or compact home gyms. In terms of construction, this bike is built to last. It's made of high-quality alloy steel and supports a maximum weight of up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability during intense workouts. The unique triangle structure adds extra support, so you can focus on your exercise without worrying about stability. Comfort is key when it comes to a good workout, and the pooboo bike doesn't disappoint. It boasts an oversized adjustable seat cushion that provides ample support for your back, allowing you to ride for longer periods without discomfort. Whether you're short or tall, this bike accommodates users ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 3 inches, ensuring a good fit for most people. Additionally, the bike is equipped with an adjustable back support cushion and arm resistance bands. These bands can be attached either at the front or rear, allowing you to engage your upper body while you pedal. This full-body workout capability is one of the standout features that set the pooboo bike apart from its competitors. Now, let's talk about resistance. The pooboo folding exercise bike offers 8 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity to match your fitness level. The magnetic flywheel ensures a smooth and quiet operation, so you can exercise without disturbing others in your home. Moreover, this bike comes with a multi-function fitness monitor that tracks your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can easily keep an eye on your progress and stay motivated throughout your workout. There's even a mobile device holder built into the monitor, so you can watch your favorite shows or follow workout videos while you ride, making your exercise routine much more enjoyable. An often overlooked yet essential feature is the built-in bottle holder. Staying hydrated during your workouts is crucial, and pooboo has made it easy to do so by placing the bottle holder conveniently within arm's reach. Plus, the transport wheels make it effortless to move the bike from one room to another, adding another layer of convenience to this already user-friendly design. In summary, the pooboo folding exercise bike is a top contender for anyone seeking an efficient, compact exercise solution. Its blend of comfort, adjustability, and advanced features makes it perfect for users of all fitness levels. Whether you want to get in a quick cardio session or tone your upper body with the resistance bands, this bike has you covered. So, if you're in the market for a new exercise bike that won't clutter your living space, consider giving the pooboo folding exercise bike a try. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future product critiques. Thanks for watching, and happy cycling!